Want to impress your friends? Imagine greeting them in Hindi and seeing their surprised faces traveling to India. Knowing Hindi helps you navigate markets and historic sites easily. Learning Hindi opens many doors. Make new friends and enjoy Bollywood movies without subtitles. Even a few phrases can make a big difference. A simple namaste can create connections. This guide is for beginners. No prior knowledge needed, just your enthusiasm to learn. We'll focus on speaking, not grammar rules, practical conversations you can use right away. By the end, you'll chat with Hindi speakers. Imagine connecting with people in their native language. Ready to start? Let's dive in. Your journey to learning Hindi begins now. Remember, every language journey begins with a single step. Take that step today and open up a new world. Let's take that step together. Join us and discover the beauty of Hindi. First impressions matter. They set the tone for any relationship, whether personal or professional. A warm greeting can open doors and create lasting connections. In Hindi, namaste is your magic word. It's a traditional greeting that conveys respect and warmth. It's respectful and works for any time of day, whether it's morning, afternoon or evening. Namaste is always appropriate. Now introduce yourself. Mera naam. Hi, mera naam, hi, means my name. For example, Mera naam John Hai, Mera naam John Hai. My name is John. See how easy it is. Just insert your name and you're good to go. Tell people where you're from. Main, say Hun. Main, say Hun. For example, Main Delhi, say Hun. Main Delhi, say Hun. I'm from Delhi. Replace with your city or country. It's a simple way to share a bit about your identity. Main America, say Hun. Main America, say Hun means I'm from America. You can replace America with any country you are from. What are your hobbies? Share them. Talking about your interests can make conversations more engaging and personal. Mujhe pasand hai, mujhe pasand hai means I like. For example, mujhe football khelna pasand hai, mujhe football khelna pasand hai. I like playing football. For example, mujhe Hindi bolna pasand hai, mujhe Hindi bolna pasand hai. I like speaking Hindi. Sharing your interests can help you find common ground with others and make new friends. No PhD articles, no headaches. Learning Hindi might seem challenging at first, but trust me, it's all John and games once you get started. Here's a secret. Hindi grammar is simpler than English. It's like grammar on vacation. No need to worry about A and or the. Toss them out. For example, ladka means boy, or the boy. One word, three meanings. Easy, right? This makes speaking Hindi much faster. Like a linguistic superpower. No need to think about articles, just focus on the words. It's like playing word Tetris. See, Hindi isn't that intimidating after all. It's actually quite fun. Language is about more than just words, it's about feelings too. When we communicate, we share a part of ourselves, our emotions, and our experiences. Understanding how to express these feelings in another language can deepen our connections with others and enrich our interactions. Let's learn how to express your mood in Hindi. Hindi, a beautiful and expressive language, offers a variety of ways to convey your emotions. Whether you're feeling joyful, sad, or excited, there's a phrase for every mood. Feeling happy, say main kush hoon, main kush hoon. Imagine you just received great news, like passing an important exam or getting a job offer. This phrase captures that essence of happiness and can be used in many situations, from casual conversations to more formal settings. Sad? Try main udaas hoon, main udaas hoon. Think about a time when you felt down, maybe after a disagreement with a friend or missing a loved one. It's important to express sadness too, as it helps in seeking comfort and understanding from others. Want to express excitement? Wah kya baat hai, wah kya baat hai is perfect for that. Picture yourself winning a competition or hearing fantastic news. This phrase is full of enthusiasm and can be used to celebrate good news or achievements. Don't be afraid to experiment with these phrases. Practice them in different contexts, and you'll find that they become a natural part of your vocabulary. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Repetition is key in language learning, and using these phrases regularly will help you gain confidence. Learning a language is an adventure. It's a journey filled with new discoveries, challenges, and rewards. Each new word and phrase you learn opens up a new world of possibilities. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and enjoy the journey. Every step you take in learning Hindi brings you closer to fluency and a deeper understanding of the culture. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking Hindi with confidence in no time. Remember, persistence and practice are your best friends in this journey, so keep at it and soon you'll find yourself conversing effortlessly in Hindi. Now that we've explored moods and feelings, it's time to delve into some practical language skills that will help you navigate everyday situations. Welcome to Chapter 5, Common Phrases and Questions. Imagine you're traveling in India or interacting with Hindi speakers in your community. Knowing how to ask basic questions and use common phrases can make your experience much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's start with a very practical question. Where is the bathroom? In Hindi, you would ask, Bathroom kahan hai? Bathroom kahan hai? Picture yourself in a new city trying to find your way around. This phrase will come in handy and is essential for any traveler. Next, let's talk about shopping. If you want to know the price of an item, you can ask, how much does this cost? The Hindi translation is, Ye kitne ka hai? Ye kitne ka hai? Whether you're at a market, a shop, or even ordering food, this phrase will help you manage your budget and make informed decisions. Another useful phrase is thank you, which is dhanyavad, dhanyavad. Expressing gratitude is universal, and using this phrase can help you build positive relationships with those around you. If you need to apologize or say sorry, you can use maaf kijiye, maaf kijiye. This can be used in various situations, from accidentally bumping into someone to making a mistake in conversation. Lastly, let's learn how to ask for help. The phrase, can you help me? In Hindi is, Kya aap meri madad kar sakte hain? Kya aap meri madad kar sakte hain? Whether you're lost, need directions, or require assistance with something, this phrase is invaluable. These common phrases and questions are just the beginning. Practice them regularly, and you'll find yourself becoming more comfortable and confident in your Hindi conversations. Remember, language learning is a continuous journey, and each new phrase you learn brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the process of learning Hindi. With each step, you'll find yourself more equipped to handle everyday interactions with ease and grace. Happy learning!